Hello, everyone! Today, we're going to review 4 different drone models and try to determine which model might be the most suitable for you. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button and let us know in the comments which drone model you prefer. Let's get started. Firstly, let's take a look at the BetaFPV Cetus Lite. The BetaFPV Cetus Lite is specifically designed for beginners. It stands out with its easy-to-use interface and stable flight performance, making it ideal for those new to flying drones. This drone shines with its affordable price and high performance. Additionally, its lightweight and durable design make it resistant to crashes, allowing beginners to avoid easily damaging their drones. The compact and lightweight design of the BetaFPV Cetus Lite allows for easy use both indoors and outdoors. Furthermore, it offers features like different flight modes and an FPV system for a more enjoyable flight experience. In summary, the BetaFPV Cetus Lite could be an excellent choice for beginners. Now let's move on to the second model, the Holy Stone HS175D. The Holy Stone HS175D stands out with its user-friendly design and portability. This drone is popular among both beginners and experienced users. It offers high performance with features like a high-resolution camera, stable flight characteristics, and long battery life. The 4K camera feature of the HS175D allows you to capture clear and detailed photos and videos. Additionally, its safety features such as GPS positioning and automatic return ensure a safe flight experience. The ability to provide long flight times with 2 modular batteries is also a significant advantage. Next up, let's take a look at the DJI Mavic Mini 2 SE. The DJI Mavic Mini 2 SE catches attention with its ultra-lightweight and portable design. This drone weighs only 249 grams, making it small and light enough to fit in the palm of your hand. Moreover, it offers high image quality and long flight times, making it an ideal choice for those looking to capture professional-grade shots. The Mavic Mini 2 SE's 7K camera and 3-axis gimbal system allow for stable and smooth footage. Additionally, its advanced safety features and DJI Fly app provide easy use, making it an ideal option for both beginners and experienced users. Lastly, let's take a look at the DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 stands out with its ultra-lightweight design and superior image quality. With 4K video resolution and 12 MP photo resolution, it allows you to capture clear and detailed images. Additionally, it offers a long flight time and advanced safety features for a secure flight experience. The Mini 3's collision prevention sensors and automatic return feature ensure a safe flight. Moreover, its DJI Fly app provides easy use and various shooting modes. In conclusion, my personal preference would be the BetaFPV Cetus Lite model. Why? Because this model offers an ideal option for beginners with its easy-to-use interface, durable design, and affordable price. Additionally, it provides various training modes to improve your flying skills. So, the BetaFPV Cetus Lite stands out as both an excellent option for beginners and a budget-friendly solution. See you next time.